Greetings, Doug at Community Lending Group. For starters, I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday season. Now, for this week's mortgage moment, I have a question for you. So, you're needing some financing on a home. Who do you turn to? A bank or credit union or a mortgage broker? And is there any difference between the two of them? Now, although they're both doing roughly the same thing of lining up financing for your home, there is a significant difference which can determine your satisfaction or your stress during the loan process. So let's run through a few of them. All right, so let's get started with rates. Now, all lenders' rates fluctuate up and down for a myriad of different reasons, and it changes daily. But banks just have one rate sheet. So if they're currently priced higher, then that's the rate you get. Brokers, they're able to shop the rate for you. I mean, here it's Christmas time. Do you find yourself trying to shop around to get the best price for the product you want? Well, that's what brokers can do for you. They shop the lenders to get the best possible options for you. Plus, if something happens in the economy where the rates make a significant drop in a short period of time, a broker can move the loan to a new lender with the new lower rate. A bank or credit union, they can't do that. Next, let's look at loan options. Banks and credit unions can only offer loan programs that their specific institution offers. Whereas a mortgage broker, they deal with 20 to 30 different lenders, each offering their own unique programs. So they can cater to a much wider group of clients, especially those with unique circumstances and challenging scenarios. Also, a broker can have access to many non-traditional loans, such as those who've been self-employed for less than 2 years, or maybe have had a recent bankruptcy or foreclosure. Next is service. And the service, it's probably one of the most important traits people look for. Now, when you're dealing with a bank or credit union, you're working on banking hours, 9 to 5 or thereabouts. Now, some mortgage brokers, they operate the same as a bank. However, this is what can separate a good broker from a great broker. Now, I can't speak for others, but I can share some personal information. I've had appointments at my office at 8:30 at night to accommodate working schedules. I've met clients at their home or even at their work to pick up documents. I've closed loans as late as 10 p.m. at night. Is that something you've received from your bank or your credit union? Now, next is speed. Most of my clients that have used banks in the past, they've complained about how long the process takes. Brokers can shop lenders with the shortest turn times. For this reason, I close loans in 2 weeks all the time. And finally, let's go over fees. Now, since a broker is a middleman, people speculate that the closing cost must be significantly higher when using a mortgage broker, and that's not correct. Typically, brokers are paid for by the lender, and so there's no loan origination fee, whereas a bank, they charge an origination fee. So when you compare the two side by side, they're typically very similar. Now, these are just a few of the reasons, but on a personal note, having graduated in finance over 35 years ago, I could have easily chosen to work at a bank. But if I needed a mortgage loan, I would choose a mortgage broker because I like the options that they offer me much more than that of a bank. But the choice is yours. Bottom line, you need to find somebody you trust. And I would love to earn that trust. And if you give me a chance, I can show you the difference a great mortgage broker can make. Now, if you found this information helpful, go ahead and like this video. It really does help to grow my channel. In fact, if you hit the subscription button, you'll be able to see all my videos once I release them. I hope you have a great day and a joyous holiday season, and we'll see you next year.